Hello guys, this is Be Creative. Today I'm going to be showing you a really easy way to remember all these special angles and the trigonometry function of each of the special angles. So the special angles are basically 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, and so these are the special angles, and I'm going to be showing you how to find the trigonometry function of each of these special angles. And there's an easy way to remember everything. So to start off, you draw a table. So you just write all the trigonometry functions here. That is sine, cos, and the tan. Then you write your special angles starting from 0. This 0 degrees, 30, 45, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. So you close our table. So all you need to know is just the values of sine of all of these special angles. So you can just pop our calculators out and check the calculator for sine 0. Sine 0 is 0, so write our 0 down. Then sine 30, that should be 1 over 2, that's half. Then sine 45 is root 2 over 2. Which can also be written as 1 all over root 2, the reciprocal. Then sine 60 is root 3 over 2. Then sine 90, that should be 1. Sine 90 is 1. So you should just, all you need to memorize is just the first part. Then as for cos, all you have to do is start from here and do it backwards. I'm going to have 1, 3 over 2. Then backwards here, we have 1 over root 2 or root 2 over 2. And as for this, 1 over 2, then 0. So basically, cos is the same as sine, but starting from this way. So you have it. And as for tan, since we know that tan is basically equals to sine over cos. So that means for this, we're going to have 0 over 1 is equals to 0. So the value here is 0. And as for this, we're going to have 1 over 2 over 3 over 2, which is equals to 1 over 2 times 2 over root 3. 2 cancel 2, leaving us with 1 all over root 3. So I'm having 1 over root 3 over here, or root 3 over 3. Then as for the next one, root 2 over 2 times root 2 over 1. Sorry, that was a mistake. Root 2 over 2. Sorry. So that's, let me use this, 1 over root 2 times root 2 over 1. So this will cancel this, leaving us 1 over 1, and 1 over 1 is 1. So we have our value here as 1. So as for this, tan 60, root 3 over 2 times 2 all over 1, 2 cancel 2, leaving us with root 3 over 1, and root 3 over 1 is root 3. We have this as root 3. And as for this, we know that 1 all over 0 is equals to, is undefined. So we're going to leave this as infinity. So we're going to have infinity. So this is an easy way to remember all your special angles. It can be very useful sometimes. So now let's confirm using our calculator. So we can see from here we have tan tan 0 as 0, so that's correct. Then we have tan 1 all over root 3 as tan 30 as root 3 over 3, and that's correct. And as for tan 60, tan 45 is equal to 1, as you can see there. Then as for tan 60, we have root 3, so that's correct. And as for tan 90, it's going to give us math error, which is undefined, and that's basically the infinity. And for the confirmation check for cos, we have cos 0 is equals to 1, so that's correct. Cos 30 is equals to root 3 over 2, that's what we have there. And cos 45 is equals to root 2 over 2. And as for cos 60 is equals to 1 over 2. And cos 90 is equals to 0. So that's just an easy way to remember this. This might be useful in any exams where you'll need to know all this. So that's it. So hope that was helpful. That can be very useful in case of any exams or something like that. So it's just basically an easy way to remember all this. All you need to know is the sine function of all the special angles, and that's it. And if you want me to make a video of how you find those special angles using Pythagoras theorem, you can leave it in the comments below. So thank you all for watching. See you guys on the next one.